Hello, ladies. I'm Ananya from Hitaishi Abdominal. First of all, I'm very happy to see your interest on our product Hitaishi Abdominal Belt. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for your support. So, I'm making this video especially to explain how to wrap this belt effectively because 20% of my customers had come back to me saying I didn't get how to wrap this belt. And also, here I'm making it clear that for what purpose you can use this belt. So it's mainly designed for women after delivery. So this is called as post-delivery belt. It is of pure cotton and it's washable. And of course we use the post-delivery belt to reduce the tummy. Apart from this, it gives you back support and also you can use it for back pain reduction. It's of better comfort for movement after delivery. That's what I can say, guys. So this is the belt and color of this belt is black and red checks, and most importantly it comes with a standard size. Many people ask me if tummy is big then how can it be adjusted. So guys, this is the advantages of this belt. As you have layers in the belt, it will be fit for any size. Suppose if your belly is not that much big, then you can fold edge of the layer and then tie accordingly. So let's start. Firstly, keep the belt on the bed. And can you say this white line? Yeah, this should come in the front. Like this you have to keep. And yeah, this white line should come in the front. And all these 6 layers should also come in the front. Adjust very properly all the 6 layers like this. Yeah, both the sides, adjust. And remember guys, if you take someone's help to tie for you, it will be great for the better use of this belt. Okay. And also, can you see this Velcro? Yeah, this should come down. Okay, this should always come down. Then you can tie the belt properly. Yeah, understood? After this, you have to lie down on the belt. See, like this, you have to lie down. You should adjust this belt as exactly it should come on your belly, like this. And one more important thing is, if yours is a C-section delivery, this Velcro part is there, no? This one. It should come little up of your stitches because it should not irritate or cause any itching for your stitching part. That is very important. Okay, understood? Then start tying the belt. Remember, person who is tying for you should start from his or her right hand side. Okay, now I'm taking the first layer. Remember, from the first layer you have to tie as much as tight you want because one depends on another. Okay, yeah. And the other side of first layer I'm taking like this. Yeah, adjust that, tie properly. And the second one I'm taking, yeah, I'm tying like this. And the other side of second layer. Yes, as I already told you, if your tummy is big, you can adjust like this and tie. If your tummy is not that much big, and then you can fold like this. Edge of the layer you can fold like this. See, and then tie. Okay, yeah, keep tying. Take another one, keep tying. One depends on another, so please tie as much as tight you want. So I'm tying one by one according to one's comfort properly, hence the layer will not go up. Okay, if your stitches is here, then you can tie little up of your stitches. Yeah. Yeah, this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one, sixth one, which has Velcro. Okay, you can see this Velcro. See, this is the sixth one, and you can stick Velcro like this. It helps to all the layers, okay, so that it will be fit enough. So it looks like this. Okay, adjust. Yeah. Have a look on all these layers. No layers will go up. So guys, it's exactly the concept of old days where they used to tie sari as abdominal belt. So instead of that, we made it easy. Yeah, from backside you can have a look, and it gives you back support, and also you can use it for back pain reduction. Okay, so yeah, this is all about Hitaishi abdominal belt. So people, I hope you understood how to wear and use this belt. I suggest you to use this belt at least for 2.5 months continuously. And one more thing, please use this belt before having something, especially before having lunch, and please remove while sleeping in the night. And remember, very important thing, please check with your doctor before using any kind of abdominal belt. Not only Hitaishi abdominal belt, any kind of abdominal belt, please check with your doctor that if now you're okay to tie any kind of abdominal belt, because doctor only knows your body well and nobody else. Okay, all right. Ladies, if you still have any doubts on how to wrap this Hitaishi abdominal belt, please feel free to contact me via email. My email ID is ananya.hegde92@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe my channel. Stay fit and stay healthy. Take care.